Okay, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And the last session, we have made progress here with our layout. The table is drawing. The table looks good. I'm very happy about this. So now, let's try to fill it with some good stuff. Yeah. So, I think the first thing we need to fix source code. I think in ASM printer here, last line number. Yeah, we need to do the same thing in here. So we say last line index, let's say instruction for that. Yeah, so we say here const last line number, if last line number, or if line index, last line number, line index, hold on, it's line index +1 is line number. Same. So it's this one here, line number. So we do this, source code, there we go, else, well, we can just put it here. There we go. How about we simplify this further? We just have a duplicate check here. Do this. And then we put this guy down here. And then we can remove these guys here. Like that. Means we have this check twice, but actually no. That is no. And then we move this here. There we go. Yeah. Can move this here. Yeah. Like this. It means we have this check here twice, but yeah, it doesn't matter. That won't change much. Maybe the compiler will do some tricks here. Okay, so we now need to also set last line number. No, this. Jesus, what happened? Fat fingers. Okay, it cannot be const. Okay. How about, no, we just leave it there. Okay, so line, source code. Yeah, this looks good. Maybe we say we combine this here. Maybe make a boolean const bool line okay. If line okay. Okay. Actually, hold on. This one needs to be removed. There we go. Okay, so and there we go. So now the code is just on the top here, tippy top. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, cool. Then we can move it as well here. Okay, cool. Then then next is the bytes. The bytes. We can also maybe copy that from the printer. This is append source code, append bytes. So the bytes are just usable bytes. Instruction bytes elements. Oof. Okay, so instruction. So I would say we take oof. Need to allocate, no? Let's create a buffer outside. Sized array, bytes array, bytes. Yeah, let's create a buffer here. Actually, yeah, std string bytes, bytes dot reserve. Let's put a const expr uint at max bytes, max byte counts 11. Put that here. Static. Okay, and then we do here a sum instruction max byte counts. Okay. And then here we do the size. What, I think it's a uint8, right? uint8 tb and we say bytes. Let's say bytes buffer. Hold on, this is bytes count times 2, right? Times 2. And then we do plus equal format, and we do it without space maybe. Okay, let's see how that looks. Elements B. Here. Size. Okay. Hold on, we are missing something here. Bytes buffer.cstr. There we go. Well, that is if bytes. We should only do that if bytes are. I see a potential problem here. What if we printed no text in any column? Then we get this clipper bug again, right? It's empty at some add dummy text in at least one column to satisfy the clipper. Yeah, it's a bit unholy. So I guess there can be lines where we don't have anything in it. No assembler instruction, no address, no bytes, no source code, no source line. Which would happen if there is nothing on the other side. No, if there is... Ah, no, then this would mean the instruction is null, and then we go down here. Yeah. Yeah, I think it should never happen here. Okay. So... So let me see, ASM printer, instruction user. So my assumption is that there is always, that the bytes are never 0. Wait, bytes dot clear. And we put an assert byte size is not 0, I think. Sure, we don't need this. Okay. Text info. Yeah, I think this is all right. Bytes. Line source code bytes. Address assembly. Okay. Good. Let's see if the bytes are drawing. It does compile. And we have the bytes here. They are a bit hard to read. Maybe there should be spacings. There's also a case to make that maybe the bytes should be pre-computed, the string for it. And then the UI should just print the pre-computed string instead of computing it every frame anew, which is quite costly. Well, on the other hand, we have a clipper. Oops. Yeah, so I wonder if we should have a space in there, like this. Yeah, maybe. Instruction. Yeah, it's a bit easy on the eyes, right? Yeah. I think with space is easier, yeah, just to see the bytes. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then next. By the way, here we have always printed the address with a X in front. I wonder if we should remove that X. I don't know. X. Okay. Next. Next we do. Okay, so address. So this will be just instruction. I think we already have somewhere we print the address. Here, downcast. Right. Here, text x downcast instruction address. This address is 64. Yeah, I think we should make all these address 64Ts. We should have an address T, and then we make it a uint 32, because we don't need 64-bit addresses for our 32-bit files, right? Okay, so got this guy. Downcast. Okay. Address assembler. Okay, so this should show us the addresses. It would be good if we could select the text, right? So if someone wanted to copy how would we do that? Probably would have to be something other than a text formatted. Text. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. Is there a way to make text? Wait, let's look at the demo actually. Demo. Widgets, text. So here we have word wrapping thingy, but we can't select it. Here we can select it, but that's because it's an input. Here we have colorful text. There was clipboard, no? Clipboard somewhere. There are links. But you cannot select text. You can't click links. What about clipboards? Text clipping. Disabled block. Clipboard. Clipboard. I don't see it. But there is such functionality. Columns flags. Aha. Let's take a look at this guy. Save. Is there anything with like no. Inputs. How do we copy? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Is there a way to make texts selectable? Or let's say, what is the best way to make texts copyable into the clipboard with Imgur? Set clipboard text. Text to copy. Text, same line, button copy. Set clipboard text. Okay, so you can add a button to copy text, but copyable text fields, input text, yeah. Read only. Ah, you can make a text read only. Input text. Buffer. There is I want to see how that looks. So if we have an input text, oof. Well, I don't even know where to start with the label. Address. It will collide, right? Nah, it's stupid. Stupid. Context menu. Text. Begin pop-up context. Aha. Okay. That's more like it. Copy pop-up. What is this? So let's call it address copy. Copy to clipboard. Oof. But then we would need to say, oof. Is there a way to like access the last text? So instead of like passing the same string to this, can we maybe say, hey, I want to access the text of the last element? Because then it would be much easier to do this. We could just have one call here. I do like this idea. That's cool. Is there a way to access the string of the last ImGUI text? Yeah. So a way to access the string of the last ImGUI text. No. ImGUI text immediately renders the string. It doesn't store it. Limitation by managing the string itself. Yeah. Yeah. Track text. Huh. Yeah. Store the render text. Set clipboard text. Yeah. That's ChatGPT is mind reader. Yeah. So basically we keep like a buffer of the last. Yeah, store the render text. Maybe. Yeah. Track text. Yeah, but this can. Track text. Static chap. Okay, but the implementation details aside, let's just make a dummy here. Let's put AAA. And so, sorry. Let's just see if it works in principle. Oh. What happened? Somehow things disappeared. Okay, so we don't see any clipboard thingy. Maybe it's because there is already a pop-up. Begin pop-up context item. Copy to clipboard. That's a shame. Oh, we can explore this later again. Let's comment this out for now. Good. So assembler. Assembler. Let's see. Here. Yeah. So actually. Let's see how it looks without the X here. It's probably better without the X. Yeah, let's search for all occurrences of this. Oops. Okay, I think that is good. Okay, so we need to assembler. We need to print the assembler. Okay, so instruction. I think it's just text, right? It's text here. Yeah, text. Now, this actually is interesting because text. Yeah, text. So we just do unformatted text.cstr, right? No. Okay, this should do it. All right, good. Then let's see how, oops, there we go. Okay, so we have a source code. Yeah. Now there's a bit of a, if we, well, let's make this window large. So we can double click here, and now we can click here and click on this, and now it should show us everything. Yeah, yeah. That's the way. But we have to scroll because this parent window is not large enough, which is fair. Yeah. Okay, I think this is very good. This is all we can hope for. But now what we can do is we can hide like the source code, like if we don't care about it. We can hide the bytes if we don't care about it. Just see the address in assembler, which is fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Okay. Now it looks like we are missing something here. We're missing the labels. Yeah. So how did we do it in the printer instruction? Else if instruction. Ah, I see. Okay, does nothing. Okay, so we can say here, if that, else here, else this. Wait, can a record be null? Hold on. A pointer can be null, yeah. Okay. So we will have this guy here, labeled pair. Actually, how about okay, how about we move this guy in here. And then here we say is label pair. Continue. Okay. And here, yeah, so if we have a label, then we do, then We do table, next column, next column, next, 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 right? And here we do text. No, at the last one. Yeah, here we do label. What is it? Label. There we go. Okay, I think this will work. Now it's a bit questionable. It's a bit questionable to have like the function name up here again. We already have it here, but it is part of our records, so might as well just keep it there. Yeah. Assembler. I would say in front of the assembler we print a, actually no, we don't print, we set cursor imgui set cursor screen pause to screen pause. Let's do imvec to screen pause. To const screen pause, and we do a screen pause dot x plus, I don't know, 30f, and then screen pause y to go a bit forward. Actually, isn't there a indent? There's probably like is there maybe like a function that we can call to do this, like indent or something? Imgui, let's see, indent spacing style, indent enable. Indent spacing. Indent here. Move content position towards the right. Okay, we can use this. Yeah, this will be easier. So imgui indent, and then let's go with, I don't know, 30.f. Why do we call here text unformatted? What is this? String view. I see. It's a bit more efficient this way. Okay, so my hope is that the assembler is now a little bit indented. Let's see. Actually, we should indent it with actual character size and not just a number. Yeah. We probably here const float indent x. In GUI, we did this check somewhere else before already. I think we had like A or something. A. No. Calc text size or something like that. We had some other function which we called to get like the character size, no? Where did we do that? Font size, something with font. Font, oh boy. Here, get font. Well, what does this give? Get current font size, height in pixels. Just height. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. What is the most efficient way to get font character width with GUI? Font character width, get single font character width with GUI. Get char advance. What? Horizontal advance. Get char advance. MW char. Get char advance. Okay. Let's say indent width. Get char advance. And we put space times 2. No? What's the problem? Oh. There we go. No, also still not. There's no map. What? In font. Oh. So we need a get fonts maybe. Get fonts. Get current fonts. Get fonts. So we do get fonts, get chart bands, right? Like that. Okay. Okay. And then we pass that to indent here. So 2 spaces, indent, please. Yeah, it works. Okay. Okay, cool. Maybe behind this here, we should also print a colon here behind the label. And Uppsala. Oh. I see. That totally breaks everything. I think there needs to be a same line. Imgui, same line. There we go. Mm-hmm. And there we go. Yeah, I think that is fine. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Okay, then we can get these things back. Yeah, this looks good. Oh, what's going on here with the lines? Uh-oh. What is this? What is happening here? Huh? Okay, that is unexpected. What? Is that because of the indent? It somehow does not just affect this. Ah, do we maybe need to unindent or something? Imgui indent. Hold on. Unindent. I see. Okay. I see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, then let's do the match thingy here next. Which in our ASM printer we have done. How? Somehow. Here. Oh, there's quite a bit logic. Is match, is maybe match. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So what's the time? 1 hour. Feels like 3 hours. Yeah. Okay, so it's this guy here, and we are looking for records. So essentially, we want to. Oof. By the way, I think we can remove all this stuff up here, right? Yeah, so remove this guy and remove this and this. Yeah. And I can remove this, yeah. Add empty columns to satisfy. Add empty columns and one dummy text to satisfy the clipper. There we go. Good. So, so we need to copy this stuff here, right? And we put it here. And we need a site. Oh, site. Yeah. Table next column. Next. Instruction. Instruction pair. Yeah. So here we put it also continue. Okay, so I think we copy from the ASM printer this logic here. Here, this stuff. Yeah. Copy and put it here. Oops. Oof. So if instruction pair, match strictness, is match strictness lenient, to do make strictness configurable, and match value line append equal unequal. So let's say if is matched, then we do text unformatted equal else maybe equal, two question marks, unequal is what was it, XX, left missing, what was that? ASM printer. How about we just copy these guys? Put the const expr here. Maybe equal, left missing, right missing, equal, maybe equal. Okay. Then we have here instruction pair. There we go. Then we go text, unformatted. Jesus. How did that happen? Unformatted. Okay. Okay. Assert false, assert false. Okay. Continue. Actually, instead of continue, we can just do here else. Else that. Okay, and then here we do this, this, dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Oof. Well, that looks wild now. Break. Set. Text. I think we forgot a table next column here. Yeah, I think we just need to put it here. Yeah, we just put it here. Okay, there we go. Everything is equal. And here not. Match. Maybe we should label this differently, like match. Or can we make it centered? somehow. Can we, how can we center a text label in a column, in a table column, a table cell? How can we center a text label in a table cell? Oh, I need to calculate. Oof. Set cursor pass. Center text in table cell. Get the current table. Okay, but this is not just for table sets. This probably works everywhere, right? Yeah, I understand. A table cell would work for all kind of windows, no? Or not? Specifically designed for centering in table cells. It seems the layout with minor adjustment can be added to work in other types. Get region content. The function lies which provides the size of the current table cell in non-empty context like regular windows. The size corresponds to the available space, the current layout item, which might not behave the same. Center text. Region size. Text centers. Yeah. Let me see if there's anything in GUI about centeredness. Center, get center. Get center. Pause. Window title align. What is an n-gon? Is that like a polygon without with n amount of edges? So yeah, n-gon. So, interesting. There's no, it seems there's no center thingy. Yeah, so it looks like we have to calculate it ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, I guess then this direction is probably good. So with a region, yeah. Let's see if that works. Let's put it into our MISC. So we have here text unformatted. Let's do text unformatted centered. How about that? And we do view. View.c. Oh no. Okay, we can do it. Let's move this to here. Okay, so blah blah blah. Okay, so here we need to pass view.data and view.data plus view.size, and that will give us the text size, text name. Ta-da. Okay, text unformatted. Just call this guy. And that's it. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that works. We go to MQA app here. So we do centered. There we go. And it does not work. But a good effort trying. Centered. Okay, what could be wrong here? Let's see. Get cursor. I think it should be screen pause, no? Cursor. Screen pause. Let me see. Window local. Absolute coordinates. Window local. Get set. Okay. Text. Why is this reset here? Set cursor pass. Push a temporary cursor position offset. Okay. I did not expect Y to change. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It is weird, yeah. Push a temporary cursor position offset. Push it. Calculate horizontal and vertical padding to center the text. Yeah. Okay, I did not expect that it... So for our needs, we certainly would not need to change the Y. Generally. Centered. Region size. Region. So what was the first suggestion here? Cell. Get content cell size. Yeah. So my suspicion is that we only want to change the X value. We don't want to change Y. And as you can see here, the X is correctly centered. So it looks like X is good, but the Y, I don't know where it takes this region. Is it like the whole thing, like from top to bottom? This whole height is the available region, right? This could be, and then it, yeah, it kind of makes sense because from here to here, it looks like it's half, and from here to here, it's the next half. Yeah, that's why it splits it like this. So we can only center. Let's do centered X. Let's centered X. Yeah. And then we do region size. Let's do a float. Floats. Width X. Width X. Okay. And then put it here, width X. And so that is 0.f. And then we say if that is 0.f, then we assign width X is this dot X. And then is there also a version that just gets us X? No. Oh, that's okay. Good. So we have width X, and then we say text X is text size. Okay. And then we remove this, and then put this. And we for subsequent items. And then we remove this. Okay. I think this works. Text unformatted centered X. Maybe we can add some consts here. Maybe we can also delete the comments here. Calculate horizontal and vertical padding. There we go. Okay, cool. This looks solid. compare. And yeah, this looks perfect. Perfectly centered. Very nice. Maybe we should do the same with match. I think we can't because it's internal how this is rendered. Yeah. No, it looks good. Looks very good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Excellent. Can collapse this. Yeah. Make it smaller. Make it bigger. Okay, cool. This already looks very promising. Okay. What time is it? 1 hour 30. Yeah, I think it's a good time to take a break here. And in the next session, we need to figure out how we then draw the assembler here, this stuff on the other side. It's not so much. It's not so much. But it would be great if we can reuse this code for the other side as well, because it's essentially similar content. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, I will take a break here. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.